Hi everyone, Radwa here from Nookly, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to regenerate images when they don't match what you want. Unfortunately, we all make mistakes and AI does as well. So whenever we generate a story, sometimes we get one of those images that we don't really like. Maybe it doesn't really look like the character we want, or maybe the emotion isn't really what we want to portray in the story. So there's we've actually enabled you to regenerate images when you want to. And the way you can do that is just navigate to a story that you want. I basically just went to my reading nook, selected the story, and went to its link right away. Or after I've already created the story, I'm in the path and I've already done with creating the story. I see this and I see the edit mode here. If I turn edit mode on, that would allow me to basically regenerate an image. So let's assume I want to regenerate this image, the one in the middle here. If I click on the regenerate button, it's gonna select that scene and it's gonna start editing or generating four alternatives for me to select from. Bear in mind, you only have two regenerations to select from for each image, and then also overall two images to change. So a total of four regenerations. Sometimes it takes a minute, so just give it some time, and then you're gonna start seeing the images pop up over here, and this is where you can select one of them to replace the currently existing image. So while this happens, let's just wait. Okay, you can see over here, we have new images generated. Let's assume I really like this one. If I click on it and I click on done, it's going to be selected and replaced. If I don't like any of them, I can just cancel over here. I like this one, so I'm just going to select done. And ta-da, it's going to be replaced. Just as you can see, I just had to refresh for a second. And here it is. It is changed. The new story is out. Have a great rest of your day and enjoy storytelling.